The Renters' Rights Bill has been published and introduced to the UK Parliament, aiming to overhaul the current rental system. While there is no debate at this early stage, MPs will have their first chance to discuss the bill after the recess in October 2024. As expected, the bill contains many measures that were included in the Renters' Reform Bill. However, the Renters' Rights Bill almost doubles the initial number of clauses to 140. Key provisions in the Renters' Right Bill are 1. The end of fixed-term tenancies, moving towards rolling periodic tenancies, where tenants can stay until they decide to leave or the landlord has to seek a valid reason to seek possession. 2. Notice periods. Tenants can give 2 months' notice to vacate. Landlords must provide 4 months' notice to move in or sell the property, though tenants are protected from eviction for the first 12 months. 3. The abolishment of Section 21 evictions. These evictions will be removed on a single date after the bill becomes law, not reliant on court reforms. 4. Private rented sector ombudsman service. All private landlords in England must join this service. 5. A private rented sector database. Landlords must register themselves and their properties on a new national database with penalties for failing to do so. 6. New grounds for student landlords. Landlords renting to students in HMOs will be able to regain possession before the next academic year. 7. Expanded rent repayment orders, so penalties for repeat offenders and fines adjusted for inflation. 8. A ban on rental bidding laws. Landlords must publish the rent and cannot accept bids over the stated price. 9. A ban on in-tenancy rent increases. Rent can only be increased once per year and must reflect the market rate. Concerns have been raised by Propertymark. Propertymark is a key organisation representing letting agents and is lobbying the government on several issues. Court reform. They argue for court system reforms to proceed in tandem with the abolition of Section 21. Council preparedness. Local councils need more resources, skills and funding for effective enforcement. Licensing schemes. The introduction of a private rented sector database should phase out existing licensing schemes. Rent negotiations. Clearer guidance is needed for landlords and agents on rental negotiation procedures. The Section 21 timelines. There should be more clarity on when Section 21 will be abolished after the bill becomes law. So what are the next steps? Given Labour's majority in the House of Commons, the bill could pass swiftly, potentially becoming law by next summer. You can read the full guide to the Renters' Rights Bill on the government website at www.gov.uk. For further assistance or discussion on how these reforms might impact you, you can contact our Landlord and Tenant Advice Centre at Tiger on 01253 627 111. And I look forward to speaking to you soon.